Hi guys, this is Manish and today's video let's do the unboxing of this MI Home Security 360-degree camera. In this video let's look at the components that you are getting with this MI Home Security camera and how easily we can do the setup of this MI Home Security camera. So in this video I'm going to do a detailed that how easily you can do the setup of this MI Home Security 360-degree camera, and it will just take a couple of minutes. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video.
So this is the MI Home Security Camera 360 degrees. You can rotate your camera to 360 degree with the help of your mobile. An app with the name of the MI Home should be installed into your phone, which I'm going to show you later in the part of the video. This is the AI motion detection alert, and over here it says the high definition video, infrared night vision, and talkback feature, which is the unique feature which is available right now into this camera. If I turn around, you're able to see the MI Home Security Camera 360 degrees, and over here is the contents, which is the one MI Security Camera, one usual one, power adapter, and the wall mounting accessories. So these are the dimensions and what we sold out. So this is the white in color, the only variant which is available with the MI Security cameras. So let me just quickly do the unboxing over here. And the packaging seems to be very much great as compared with the camera. And as soon as you open up, you're able to find the usual manual. This is a very helpful usual manual this time, not the typical usual manual, because it has all the instructions that what needs to be installed, how you're going to easily install your camera. Just a point over here that nobody is going to come to install this camera. This is the DIY camera, which means that you need to do it by yourself only. So this is the wall mounting accessories which you are getting it inside it. We have a power adapter. So this is the wall mounting accessory which you are getting inside this camera. A couple of pins and a base for that. So if you're keeping it on a table, the base can work it like this by simultaneously only. Just the point over here that this needs to be continuous power on if you want to use your camera. This is not a chargeable camera, that it has a battery inside where you can easily charge your camera and can do the normal kind of stuff over here. And this is your normal USB cable over here. We just quickly take this out, and normal USB port over here. Not type C again, a normal USB port, because it doesn't mean it's type C or no normal point over here, because you need to continuously keep on operating your camera if you want to use it. And inside it you're able to see the beautiful camera. So this is your camera over here. So being that you're able to see that it has a micro SD slot over here. No micro SD slot is been provided with this camera. So if you're planning to buy this camera, make sure that you again plan to buy an extra micro SD card, just like this. I already purchased this micro SD card while purchasing out the MI Home Security camera. Now if you want to keep it on table, it can simultaneously keep it like this only on the table. It can rotate up to 360 degree, but with the help of your phone app only. The setup is I'm going to show you right now. So before starting out the camera, make sure that you insert your micro SD card over here. So as you can able to see that beneath it has a camera slot. Let me just come closer to it, and it's showing me that how to insert this micro SD card. So I'm inserting it into the micro SD slot over here. So it's an pinhole technology, like it will do it like this. Make sure that it is go perfectly inside. We need something sort of an top edge technology like a simple cardboard to insert it. If you have a long nails, then it can go easily, else use the cardboard and it will insert like this. Then only the micro SD card will be inserted and your camera can rotate up to upside down and to 360 degree. Now to the setup part. First, let me just connect it through a normal power supply mode over here. So once it powers on, you're able to see this orange light over here, which means that it is now ready to get connected with your security app or the MI Home app onto your phone.
Scan QR code or use Bluetooth to pair the device. Waiting for connection.
So you have heard it that it's saying that waiting for connection. So already I've installed this app over here, which is by the name of the MI Home. So this is the MI Home app. So where once you open it, it will ask for your account. I've already done my setup. So once over you need to press add device. So it will ask me for the permission. The turn on Bluetooth to find Bluetooth device nearby. I'm turning it on. Allow my home to obtain location information in order to scan for nearby. Set now. So I'm turning on the location part over here. So device nearby is searching it. So again it will take a couple of seconds to search any device nearby.
Waiting for connection.
So since it's not been able to detect automatically, we're going for add manually. This is the MI security home. So it's telling me that how I can manually add my MI security home. So let me just press the reset. So let me just go for the reset button and press it for about 3 seconds.
Reset complete. Device booting. Please wait.
So over here I'm giving out the permission for the location. After doing the reset, again you're able to see the light is blinking it. And let me just add a device over here, which is the MI security home.
Waiting for connection.
So it's asking me for the password, which I'm entering it. So over here you're able to see the QR code is now being present. So scan the QR code and keep the phone at a distance of about 15 centimeter. Tap here after you hear QR code scan successfully. So I'm doing it.
QR code scanned successfully. Connecting. Please wait. Connection to Wi-Fi completed. Pairing to account completed. Device online.
So to see the couple of steps which have been taken and device has been added successfully. So I'm skipping it this part, the recommended room. So just naming it the video camera as I want it, and I'm just naming it for the ground floor, which I kept my camera onto the ground floor of my house only. So again, a good point over here is asking me to share the device with. I'm not want to share and with anyone. So let's get started. So it's all the legal information which he is asking me. I'm just turning it on to agree. This is the normal control which I can control it, and over here you're able to see that is showing me that I can easily control my device. You can able to see my camera over here. So this is the first setup. If I want to do a call, I can even do a call over here. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish and I see you all in the next video.